हायकोर्टाची ऑर्डर येयल्या पळय तेजेर वॉट हॅपन्स नेक्स्ट नाव?
Next is, I don't know whether the election commission is going to the Supreme Court. If they go to the Supreme Court, they should get this issue settled. This is an issue of law. Two times the High Court has said that 1 year should be counted from the date of the election of the new candidate. Election Commission has to get this issue sorted out before the Supreme Court. As of now, the law of the land is that it is 1 year from the date of the election and not from the date of the accrual of the vacancy. So that issue is settled long time back by the Bombay High Court. So that is the situation.
सो बिकॉज सगळ्यांच्या हितून केओस जालो आयज इलेक्शन आशिल्लें सो सडनली हें जाला म्हणून बिकॉज
See,
इट वॉज अ
this is not
शॉकिंग
a new thing which has happened. It has happened earlier in under the Bombay High Court. So Bombay High Court judgment is there in the public domain. Everybody knows about it. So this is something new as far as lawyers are concerned. And I think Election Commission should have also taken into account this judgment, in which earlier also Election Commission was a party.
So who has a right, as far as general procedure is concerned, who has a right to go to the Supreme Court? It is the Election Commission or the party?
See, right, in this case, it is the Election Commission who has to go, if at all they are aggrieved. But if they accept this legal position, they may not go. If they agree with the proposition that the term has to be counted from the date of the new elections, then they may not go. If they don't agree to this proposition that 1 year has to be counted from the date of the new election, then they have to go to the Supreme Court.
But are there still chances because counting हा म्हणटा ते मे 9 कितें ahलें. So still that can be as per if court agrees or something like
See,
कितें
if
possible.
the Supreme Court reverses the judgment of the Bombay High Court, which are there in the field, then the Election Commission is right. It can be held at any time thereafter, if that is the case. But as far as the law is concerned and the Constitution is concerned, once the Bombay High Court holds that 1 year has to be counted from the date of the newly elected candidate, then that is the law of the land. Everybody is bound to follow it. There is no choice.
Everybody is one question in mind. If सगळें हें सारकें आहलें खबर आशिल्ली, if there were certain judgments which had taken place earlier, then why these elections were held?
Elections are not held. Where are the elections? Elections are not
Oh, no,
held.
means
Why they are
election,
going to say why they were announced.
Announced.
So the Election Commission must have actually seen this judgment. I don't know whether they were aware of this judgment.
As far as state is concerned, state has no role in it.
See, government has no role in this case. But as far as the law is concerned, it is the law of the land, which is declared by the High Court. Once the High Court declares a law that this is the law, everybody is bound by it. Nobody has a choice to say that I will not follow that.
So फुडाराक आतां पळोवचें when these things have happened, anybody will have to take care while announcing the elections procedure, everything.
See, when any action is taken by any authority, you have to take care of the law which is prevalent, the judgments of the Supreme Court, judgments of the High Court. Without looking at it, nobody can take any decision. All have to follow. If they don't follow, then this is what happens. So
Thank you.